Welcome back. Ian Clark, Wichita, Kansas, attorney at law. If you have any other questions concerning this video or any other, drop a comment below. We'll get back to you or address it on the next video. So this time we're going to talk about the motion to suppress, a big hot ticket item, especially in car stop cases. Now, sometimes they're viable in search warrant cases, but not quite as much so, maybe for another video because that gets pretty complex. But let's talk about car stop cases. So anytime you're pulled over by the cops, that's considered a seizure under the Fourth Amendment. You've been seized whenever you've been stopped. Now, the cops have to have a viable reason to have stopped you in the first place. You have to have committed either a traffic infraction or done something else to break the law to make them pull you over. If that hasn't been done, if you have not broken the law and they pulled you over anyway, right there, they are subject to the motion to suppress, to suppression, exclusion of evidence based on their violation of the Fourth Amendment. Thank God for that, right? Once they've got you pulled over, if the stop was legal, then they have to have what's called reasonable suspicion to expand the scope of the stop. I know that sounds wordy. The problem is this: do they have some kind of other evidence to indicate that you're doing something illegal? If they don't, they have to give you a ticket, write you a warning, whatever, send you on your way. But if they've got evidence that something else is going on, that you either have contraband in the car or fruits or instrumentalities, they call it, of some other crime, or are just literally doing something illegal in the car, then they can potentially search the car. The way that goes is, yes, the Fourth Amendment applies, usually warrants are required, but because cars are mobile, that creates what they call exigent circumstances, meaning that all the law enforcement needs is probable cause to search the car. If they don't have that, then you can move to suppress whatever evidence they find in the car. We're on Instagram, IMC_Esquire. Follow, like, relike, DM, whatever. Your questions specifically, though, because then we can put those on our next video. Thank you.